Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Today I thought I would share with you the process of one of my newest paintings. So for this painting, I thought originally that I had a really clear direction for this piece, but as I painted it, nothing ever seemed to just stick. I have quite a free-flowing, intuitive relationship with my paintings, and I believe that they are a story that evolves naturally. Well, this one turned out to be a trilogy, because with 3 separate stories that overlapped one another, and altogether it took me almost a year to complete it. In between each layer it would sit for months and not be touched, and then I would regather the inspiration for it and so on. The first layers had a fiery red undertone with stormy, grumbling clouds in the horizon. The second layer was more of a mellow, subtle layer with softer suggestions. And the third and last layer is a hopeful, bold morning sunrise with calm brushstrokes and sweeping clouds. But what's funny looking back on this video is that with each new layer, the scene got less stormy and more calm. And I like to think that this natural evolving of the painting signifies a healing, that with time we overwrite the dark moments in our life and eventually we transform by looking towards a new day full of possibilities. So this piece is titled A New Day, which was an idea brought forward by a viewer, which I really appreciate because I think it fits the painting and its story perfectly. And this painting is now available worldwide, and it's looking for a new home where it can bring along hope and possibility. I'm also releasing prints, so I'll pop all the information in the description box with size, prices and shipping details. So if you know someone that is maybe going through a bit of a difficult patch, it would make a really lovely gift to offer them some comfort. I really hope that you guys enjoy watching the rest of the process come together. If you're not already part of our little YouTube family, join us and subscribe, and hit the like button if you found this video inspiring. So grab a cup of tea and enjoy being a fly on my studio wall.